Okay, so this one is about math. And personally, I hate with a passion, with my whole heart and soul, I hate math. I cannot factor. I don't care how many times people try to teach me, it just doesn't register. And I blame it on the fact that I'm actually a blonde. Um, Unfortunately, I dyed my hair dark like one time and it never left. Kind of sucks. Anyway, so I hate math. We've established this. However, the way they do it is really quite nice and unique. They use a server called Alex to teach you your math. And it goes through, and you have to get 100%. Otherwise, you have to start all over. So, what happens is it gives you a pie. Something like this. In that pie, they have sections for, like, simple addition, subtraction. They've got fractions. They've got decimal points, geometry. Sorry, screen went dark. Um, and factoring, the thing I can't do. um, and you go through, and your first assignment is to do 3 of those slices in the pie. Well, you'll understand all this when you go there. It's kind of hard to explain. Um, and that's about 140 different lessons. Now, you have to spend at least like 10 hours in this. And my suggestion to you is get it all done at once. Take 1 week where the only thing you do is work on your pie. Because here's what happens. You do 3 slices of the pie, right? And you get your first lesson done and all that is good. You wait a few days to start the last 2 slices of your pie. And you forget half of what you worked on in the beginning, like I did. And then you take the random assessment, and every question you get wrong, they take away from your pie, and you have to start all over again on those lessons you thought you had down. No, it sucks. So what I literally, once I discovered that I forget quite easily, my last 2 slides got done in 2 days. I mean, where I did nothing but math for 2 days. And I finally finished. Correction, I did not actually finish every problem. But, like I said, I can't factor. I don't care how hard I try. I don't care how they try to teach me. Factoring just doesn't work for me. I can get help and still miss it. So, yeah, I didn't do the factoring ones, which is only like 2. So, it's not bad. I did the rest of them. And then we had an assignment where you go through, and one of your discussions is putting it into play, all this math. But it's in the music industry, about like how much an artist gets from every CD they sell, and all that other dandy stuff. It didn't really pertain to us film students, which is kind of saddening because I really wanted to see like how this would help me in the film industry. I figured out how it works in the music industry. I guess it could work like maybe DVDs in the film industry. We could change it to that. But literally, I was being lazy and I didn't do it. But I'm still gonna pass with a B, which is probably the highest grade I've ever gotten in math in my life. So they made it really easy. They made it simple, easy to understand. Really nice. So it wasn't so bad. I found out that if I actually sit down and do the math, I'm actually kind of good at it. It's just I lack the want or the will, motivation. I lack the motivation to do it. Oh, you can't use a calculator. Don't you love school? No calculators. They do not allow you to use calculators. It's kind of weird they tell you this when it's an online class and they don't know if you use a calculator or not. And I'll admit there were some problems where I was like, screw it, I'm getting a calculator. They ask you not to, so be honest, only use it if you absolutely need it. Other than that, it was math. You can't really say anything about math. I mean, you can't really glorify it or make it sound fun. It's numbers. Also, my next video, you will see totally different background other than my wall or my kitchen like you normally see. I'm moving in with my boyfriend. I'm moving back to my hometown. I hate that town, but I love him, so I'm going. He better be thankful. I know he is, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so moving. My next video could possibly be very late due to my move. If so, I will combine next month's class and the month after. So, see you next time. Hopefully, I'll see you next month. Like I said, not so sure yet. So, see you then. Adios. And have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Hey, look, duct tape.